In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace rear coil springs on an 03 Jetta TDI, 4th generation. So you want to support the rear of the vehicle. So I'm using a pull jack, and I'm going to just locate it and make it steady right here. There we go. Give it a little bit of support. And I'm going to collapse that shock so that I can let it down slowly. You are going to have to do both sides at the same time. We're doing the right rear, but you're going to do the exact thing to the other side at the same time. 16mm wrench, go on the inside here, and 16mm socket. I'm using a 3/8 drive. Let's see if we can break it free. So I did the identical to this side, to the other side, the passenger side. Just so you know, I am using 2 pole jacks to bring this steel solid rear suspension down together at the same time. Now we can take that spring out. So now we have the old spring out, and we have to transfer over this rubber damper for the top. And I'm just going to pull it right out, just like that. Now pay attention to that clear. It's already been marked because it's in there so long, but it has a stopper. You want to put that at the top of the coil of the new one, just like that. There is no top or bottom on this rear suspension. They're both the same. Sometimes you'll get some that are smaller or bigger. These are both identically the same, so I'm just going to put that stopper in and turn it right till it stops. And that goes up on the top. Now we're going to have to lower this down even more to get the clearance for this new coil. And then just give it a pull down. And now I'm just going to slowly bring that pull jack up, and I'm compressing that new coil spring, and I'll line that shock up. So now I can put my lower shock bolt in, put the nut on. I'm going to snug it down till it bottoms out, and then I'm going to torque it to the factory spec. 16mm wrench and socket. All right, I'll get my torque wrench. And the torque spec is 30 foot-pounds, and then an additional 90 degrees. So there's my 30. Now I'm going to switch it over to angle. All right, so now we're going to do our additional 90 degrees. 16mm wrench. Now we can lower this pole jack. And I'm going to finish up on the other side, and then we'll lower the car. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.